How to hire a right patent attorney for my invention? Now, this question that you have is obvious. Out of thousands, if not hundreds of patent agents and attorneys, how would I find the right one for my invention? And even more importantly, at the right cost. The selection process for hiring a right patent attorney could turn out to be more complex than you would have imagined. You may find most websites sound similar, and it is quite difficult to differentiate patent attorneys with regards to what is the right fit for you, the subject matter familiarity, and the quality of patent draft and filing services. The problem is more intense for the first-time inventors who have not filed any patents before, who are searching for a good patent attorney and do not especially know what to look for. Selecting the right patent attorney is a significantly cost-intensive decision that you are going to make, and you would not want to be making mistake in it. As you might have already guessed, a good reputation and experience in dealing with patents from the field of your invention is the primary shortlisting factor, and you can get a shorter list of patent attorneys. Although patent attorneys are from science or engineering background, their degrees should match the field of your invention. This is for obvious reasons like familiarity with the subject matter of invention. Although this is not always necessary, as with experience of writing hundreds and thousands of patents from different domains, a patent attorney can build a decent understanding of most related fields from different domains like electrical engineering, instrumentation, automation, mechanical, software, AI, etc. Personal visit to patent attorney's office. Now, this is not always possible, but in ideal situation, it is recommended to visit shortlisted patent attorneys as a primary meeting and get a sense of proceedings by meeting one-on-one. Shortlisting calls to attorneys. If the list of shortlisted patent attorneys is longer and you are unable to distinguish between them with the help of the online profiles, it's better to further shortlist them by scheduling a short phone call of 5 to 10 minutes. Here are some questions that you may ask to evaluate patent attorney's experience and qualification. What is your experience in patent law? How do you approach patent strategy? Can you provide examples of successful patents you have secured in past, especially from my domain? How do you communicate with clients during the patent application process? What is your approach to dispute resolution? How do you determine your fees for patent services? You may also ask for the previous work, that is granted patents, in the same field of your invention. The previous work reveals many things about quality of research and drafting of patent on which patent attorney already worked on, like granted patents, novelty search reports, and response to office actions, any other relevant work samples from your field of invention. The comfort in communication and trust factor is important while dealing with patent attorney. This is to be decided on more of a gut feeling, but nevertheless, this is still an important factor in selecting right patent attorney to work on your invention. Have your own thoughts and opinions and trust your gut feeling, as once selected, you are working with that patent attorney for years to come, even after grant of patent. Shall I go for the most expensive patent attorney or the most economic one? The cost of getting patent for your invention heavily depends on the attorney you choose to work with. After all, your patent attorney is the only ally who will fight alongside you, first to get patent granted, that is fight with patent office, and later in case of infringement of your patent, will fight with the infringing party. Patent attorney charges typically vary with their expertise and experience. Highly experienced patent professionals charge the higher amounts, and you probably do not need to invest highest possible charges for patent attorney to work on your invention, as it can get super expensive. Having said that, you also don't want to be working with an inexperienced patent attorney who is charging ridiculously low fees compared to other patent attorneys. In such cases, you are at the risk of losing the entire efforts you put into research and development, along with the rights on your invention, if the patent application is not well written and not protected with appropriate claims. The ideal case would be a patent attorney with moderate charges and significant experience in the field of your invention who can give justice to your efforts and protect your invention to the fullest possible extent. Now, if you happen to make mistake in selecting patent attorney, be sure that you select the higher side of costing rather than selecting an attorney with the lowest possible charges. This is because you still will be on a winning side even if you choose slightly high prices to pay for patent attorney, as he will ensure that your invention would be appropriately protected and you do not end up losing rights to your invention due to poor quality of patent drafting. Options for budgeting and financing patent expenses. Budgeting for the cost associated with patent application and litigation can be a challenge. Some patent attorneys offer pro bono or reduced fee services for inventors with limited resources. There are a variety of grants and funding opportunities available for inventors and entrepreneurs. Alternative financing options such as loans, venture capital, and crowdfunding can help you finance the cost associated with your patent application and litigation. The risk of not working with a patent attorney. One of the biggest risks of not working with patent attorney is the possibility of missing important deadlines or requirements in patent application process. This can result in your patent application being rejected or even losing your right to patent protection altogether. You may unknowingly infringe on someone else's patent. This can lead to a costly litigation and potentially even loss of your business. Additionally, not having patent attorney can lead to a weaker patent application and less protection for your intellectual property. A patent attorney can help you identify the best way to protect your invention and ensure that your patent application is as strong as possible. Hope you received some value from this video today. For more information on patent related topics, you may consider subscribing to our channel or visit our website patentattorneyworldwide.com. Thank you for your time. Take care.